Welcome to EveryPhotoPro Special Edition. Let me show you something really cool. It is not every day that you see a tree growing out of the flue of a chimney. I love it when nature encroaches on man-made objects. And as being a landscape photographer for the last 15 years, I have to tell you, this is definitely one of those El Dorado moments. So, of course, I asked the owner to give me the permission to come over here, and I'm glad that I did because I found out, unfortunately, this is going to get torn down. So, at least I'm going to get the opportunity to take the shots and hopefully at least preserve this little bit of history. You got to admit, it is pretty cool though, huh? I will have them on my EveryPhotoPro.com portfolio, and it's definitely going to be the top 10, so it's going to stay up there for quite some time. But wow, it is awesome. Okay, onwards and forwards to the shots. You do not get the opportunity to see this bird. This squirrel.